Hi guys, in this video I would like to talk a bit of sesame oil, how to choose it and in what occasion we use it usually. From my experience, the most important is the aroma of the sesame oil, if you like it or not, if they have a strong nice aroma or not. Because in Asia there's a lot of countries are using sesame oil, so their own country has their own brand. The aroma of the sesame oil could be different from different brand. What I've been using is, again, this is not a sponsor video, you could consider this one. This is Singapore brand. Singapore brand of sesame oil are pretty good, nice and pleasant aroma. The thing is, when you buy sesame oil, you can't tell if it is good until you really open it and have a smell, because mostly the ingredients they say sesame seed oil, but you don't know the quality of them. If you buy Singaporean brand in general, they are pretty good. You should be able to find it in Asian grocery easily. The other sesame oil you could consider is using Korean brand. In Korean cuisine, they use a lot of sesame oil, and you can tell because their quality of the sesame are quite good. That's why they produce very good sesame oil. The one I'm using, and also I can find in my local grocery, is this one. And also there's two other brands you could consider, but I can't find it in my local grocery. But if you go to those Asian grocery specialized in Korean food, you should be able to find it because they are quite popular as well. Those brands have a very nice nutty aroma. I'll put the link in the description box below. You just take the picture and ask the people there. I would say products of Korea or Singapore sesame oil are pretty good. You can go and try them and see if you like it. In general, sesame oil means white sesame oil, but also you can find in the market a black sesame oil. What's the difference is mainly just because it is used as a black sesame oil to produce it. The tastes are more intense. The function is pretty much the same. So if you like even more intense flavor, you can go for black sesame oil as well. In what occasion we usually use sesame oil? In very rare occasion, we use sesame oil as cooking oil. So that's why when you buy sesame oil, it is in a small bottle. We usually use sesame oil for marinating. It helps enhance the flavor for the food. And also you can use it for garnish. Say, for example, you can add a little bit of sesame oil in your noodle soup. It would taste very good. Or in the morning, you can simply plain fry an egg, which I usually do. Add a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. And you got very, very good breakfast. There's many occasions that you can use sesame oil just whenever you like. There's no strict rule on this. Choosing a sesame oil, you really have to buy and try it and see which one you like. Also, this is my experience of how I choose sesame oil and how I use it. Let me know your comment if you want to know more about Asian or Chinese ingredient or culture or dishes. And I will see you next time. Mommy give some greenies. Mommy give you. Don't touch it. Mommy's working. Go.